Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the batteries on your Nest Protect. So in this video I'm using the Nest Protect 2nd generation and it just beeped that it has a low battery. Well, it did not beep actually, but it did the notification on the app, which I'll input here, and the notification when you push it. I don't know why it's not doing it now because it's
ready in the bedroom. This canceled.
But it also tells you right here, but the batteries are dead because I have a new set of batteries. These are the old ones. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace them. So let's get started. Before we get started, hi to anyone new here. My name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it would help my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get started with the video. So this right here, I have my Nest Protect and the new set of batteries. If you have the new first generation Nest Protect, you want to unscrew the back. Sorry that this is in the way. It's a Post-it, so I don't show the QR code. So if you have an older one, you have to unscrew the back to open the battery compartment. But for me, as you can see, if you have the 2nd generation or the new Google Nest Protects, it's right here. All you do is lift up the battery cover, and it pops right open like this. Sorry, it's just that the Post-it's right here. So here are your Nest Protect batteries. So as you can see, it's an Energizer. I already changed this once, but as you can see here is the notification from the app. You have to use ultimate lithium batteries. If you use alkaline, for example, like a normal battery, it will work, but the battery is going to die immediately again. You have to use, for the best experience, lithium. I bought these on Amazon for Black Friday, so I got them a good deal out of it. So it runs on 6 AA batteries, and if you have the wired Nest Protect, this process will also work for you because it just has the left row for battery backup. So if those are low, all you do is follow the same steps. So the first thing you want to do is remove the old battery. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'll speed up this process because it's going to be removing the batteries really quick, and then we will insert, and I'll come back to show you how to insert the new battery. Once you have removed the old batteries, I went ahead and switched out the Post-it because it's kind of annoying. Here are your old batteries, so make sure to dispose of these the right way. So I'm going to go ahead and put these aside to get rid of them the correct way. And then we are going to, and actually I cut this part off in the video, but when you remove the batteries on your Nest Protect, it's going to do a quick little chime, like just once. It's just going to do like a one quick chime, letting you know, and that's nothing bad. It's just letting you know that the batteries have been removed and there's no power to the Nest Protect. Because now if we push it, there's nothing there. So now we're going to go ahead and open up my new batteries. We're going to open up my new batteries real quick. Once you open up the batteries, let's go ahead and take out 6 of them. I think this is a pack of 8. Let me go ahead and take this out really quick. So as you can see, I've got my 6 new batteries here. I'm going to set this aside because these 2 are brand new. And then the first step is to just go ahead and place the batteries how they would. So as you can see, you have a little diagram right here. It focuses. Oh, no, right there. As you can see, it says the negative and the plus. So the battery goes like this. If you look at the battery, I don't know why it's not focusing. If you look at the battery right here, as you can see, here's the plus and the bottom is the negative. So if this one's plus, the other one's negative. So you're just going to insert it like so, just like this. As you can see, there's one battery, the 2nd battery, and the 3rd battery. Sorry, it's kind of tight. You need to like hold this because it's really sensitive down here. And then here's the other ones. Now they flipped. So now they're going to go like this. As you can see, the plus, let's go in like this. Here's the 1st battery, the 2nd battery, and the last battery.
Hi.
So you heard that little chime. All you need to do now is close the door, and it's closed like that. So as you can see now, if you push it, so as you can see, that's it. So now if we open our Nest app, you're going to see that it says perfectly fine. And now if you push it,
ready in the bedroom. Press to test.
It's perfectly fine. I'm going to go ahead and test this because what you should do after, I know it's not letting you know that you're supposed to test it, but if you have another smoke alarm, it's going to tell you to push the test button. So I'm going to go ahead and do this test right now. So warning to headphone users, I'm going to go ahead and lower the volume of the test. So if you have headphones, it won't be as loud, but just be careful because it might still be loud. So here's the test.
Ready in the bedroom. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. It's going to be loud. The test starts in 5 seconds. Press to cancel. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. moment. Finishing up. The test is finished. Everything looks good.
So once you've tested and everything looks good again, all you do is mount this back where it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and try my best here to mount it. Oh, I don't think that was the right way. There we go, that feels more secure. And that's it. That's pretty much it. That's how to change the batteries on your Nest Protect. I already have it mounted and it's all good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!